Next bit from the force and pressure. So students, we are studying here what is pressure. So pressure is nothing but perpendicularly force applying unit area is known as pressure. As force is expressed in Newton and area is expressed in meter square, so the SI unit of the of this pressure is nothing but Newton per meter square, or it is also denoted as Pascal. So see here student, this is the knife and these are the vegetables. So we take the knife, the cutting edge of the knife should be sharp. So we always cut the vegetables with the help of sharp knife, because as cutting edges is sharp, as we know that pressure is nothing but force per unit area. As the area decreases, pressure increases. So that for cutting vegetables, we are using the sharp knife. That means sharp side of the knife. As well as the knife is having blunt side also. If we are using the knife for cutting the vegetables from the blunt side, from the blunt edge, then it is not easy to cut the vegetables. So that the area of contact is necessary. So as the area of contact decreases, the pressure increases. Then see here another example. As more pressure, area of contact less. That means as the area of contact less, the pressure should be more. If the area of contact more, the pressure which is applied is less pressure. See here example. If we want to pierce an iron nail inside the wooden block, then we are beating with hammer from this side, because as the iron nail is having the pointing edge, and this pointing edge is having very less area, so that the area decreases, pressure increases, so that it becomes easy to pierce this iron nail inside the wooden block. Then this side, if we take the another this side of the iron nail, that means having the large area, then it is not easy to pierce the iron nail into the wooden block, because the cap of the iron nail is having the more area, so that if the area of contact is more, then pressure will be reduced here. All these are the advantages of the high pressure. Now what are the advantages of low pressure? See here, for sliding on the snow, we are taking this wooden plank, because these wooden plank are having more area, so that when a man is standing on this wooden plank, due to the weight of the man, the weight of the man and the contact area in between the wooden plank, this wooden plank, as the area of contact is more, so that the pressure is reduced here, because pressure is nothing but the force upon area. So force is nothing but the weight of a man which is standing on the wooden plank, so that as the force is applied on the area which is having larger area, so that pressure here decreases.